G'day YouTubers, how are you? Was here. Alright, today on the MT10 I've had a letter from a David Yole asking me about the Quickshifter. He's seen a couple of videos on it, on the Woolwich Tune and then the Woolwich Quickshifter, and he asked me to go riding and show him how it worked. Well, most of my videos you'll be able to hear it. But anyway, this is the Woolwich Quickshifter right here. We put it upside down so dirt and stuff doesn't get in there. So let's see now. Quickshifters work two ways. One way they cut fuel, and the second type of quickshifter cuts ignition. So this particular quickshifter is set up on 3000 RPM for up change and 4000 RPM for down change. There are many different quickshifters on the market, and to be honest, they're so much fun. So a quickshifter, or a clutch in general it works by clutch in, changing gears. That's how it normally works on a motorbike. Clutch in, change gears, come out. When you're coming to a corner down a hill, clutch in, change down a gear, out with it. You can use the clutch, you can not use the clutch. It's just better and easier to use the clutch in case you make a mistake. So with the Quickshifter, when you go and you get up to speed and you want to change gears, you just hit your little gear lever and up it comes. It cuts the ignition on this particular style and away it goes. So that's pretty well it in a nutshell. How do I rate the Woolwich Quickshifter? I find it very good. I actually warm it up first. So I actually warm my bike up and get a couple of Ks up and just use my clutch until I'm ready, and then I start using it. The thing about it when I first tried out the Quickshifter was the downshift. Thanks, mate. The downshift, I found I was not revving it enough and it wasn't downshifting, and I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? But you just have to go a little bit harder coming up to the corner, click it down, and they are a wonderful bit of kit. So anyway, that's the quick and short of it all. So I just thought he wanted me to ride the bike, so that's my shout out, and I'll do a little bit of riding videos, but you'll see, so David Yo, you'll see that most of my videos after I got the Quickshifter in, riding with that, and before that I didn't have it. So the changes are very minute. If you're pretty quick on your clutch, well, that's half the battle, isn't it? So if you can master your clutch, it's a great device to use. The Quickshifter, it just enhances it, and on the racetrack is where it really comes out, where you're really under the pump, you're leaning over the front, you're going hard, and you just hit that gear shifter and bang, up it goes or down, and it's just one less thing you have to think about. So there it is, the wicked MT10. I'm going to do an update shortly on it and talk about different videos that people are making out there showing the things they don't like about their MT10. And you know, there's some valid points, and then there's some points where if you spend enough time on a bike and get up the Ks and get 20,000 or plus on any bike, that they start to bed in, they start to do what they're meant to do. And really, overall, this has been one of the best experiences of my life. Every time I hop on this, it's just such a buzz. And I mean, you've got 3 power modes to consider as well. So if you're a little bit unfit or a little bit unwell or just want to cruise, you just stick it in cruise mode. If you feel like going a little bit harder, stick it in power mode. Anyway, cheers, thank you very much. Wazza from Australia.